Now I'm going to show you how to open and load ActiveGraf-enabled PowerPoint and Excel files. Just as with any PowerPoint presentation, you open up your folder, choose your PowerPoint, double-click, and PowerPoint loads. You'll notice that any ActiveGraf-enabled PowerPoint file automatically opens the task pane. That means ActiveGraf is active and you don't have to turn it on separately. Also, the best practice is to click on every single slide that has ActiveGraf content. By clicking on the slide that has ActiveGraf charts, the charts initialize and find any related Excels that are necessary to make it run. This is automatic and a very convenient feature because you don't have to keep in mind which Excels go with which charts, and also you don't even have to know where the Excels are. Once the Excel loads, you can go back to the PowerPoint. It's best to click through all of your slides and make sure that the charts load and initialize. You may find that when you first import an ACTG package, which we'll talk about later, the first load when the charts initialize is slower. That's because that's when all of the synchronization tokenizations are built up. So we'll just go through and load every single chart here. You'll see that they load fairly quickly. You don't even really have to wait for them to load when you move on to the next slide and click through. Now, if these charts were attached to different Excels, those Excels would also automatically be open. You can also just open an Excel and it will initialize in a very similar way. The charts will load, the task pane will also open.